In today's video, we're going to learn how to list all the x values and all the y values of a table, mapping, or points. The definitions you need to know are domain, which includes all of your inputs or x values, and range, which includes all of your outputs or y values. In order to help us remember this vocabulary, I have a short story. I had a friend that thought he'd broke his leg and he had to go to the doctor. In order to know if his leg was really broken or not, they had to take an x-ray. It turns out that his leg really wasn't broken, so he was quickly in and out of the office. So this means that your domain are all of your x values or all of your inputs. Your range are all your y values or all of your outputs. It may also help to note that both of them, or all three rather, x and y, d and r, I and o, are also in alphabetical order. So your x's belong with your domain, belong with your inputs, your y's with your range, with your outputs. Let's take what we just learned and let's write the domain and range of the following table. Remember, the domain are your x values or your inputs. So in this case, our domain is just all of our x values. So we list them: -7, -2, 4, and 6. Our range are all of our outputs. If a number is repeated, you only have to list it once. So 4, since 4 is repeated, we don't have to write it twice. 5, and 8. And there you go, very quickly you have found the domain and range of a table just by listing all of the x values for the domain and all of the y values for the range. Let's take a look at a mapping. A mapping pretty much means you have two circles and your inputs are on your left hand side and your outputs are on your right hand side. Now remember, your domain are all of your inputs, your range is all of your outputs. So domain, we just list our inputs: 4, 5, cow, 6. Our range are all of our outputs, so we list our outputs: 12, 72, and chicken. And for our final example, let's write the domain and range of a list of points. Remember, your domain are all of your x values, your range are all of your y values, and points always come in the order x and then y, x and then y, x and then y. So our domains includes all of those x values. We have 7, we have 7, and we have -9. Since 7 is repeated, we list 7 once, and then we list -9. This is acceptable. However, most of the time, the domain will be listed in numerical order, so you'll oftentimes see your domain listed as -9, 7 instead. Our range include all of our y values. Our y values are 3, 4, and -6. So 3, 4, -6. However, we'll often see the range also listed in numerical order: -6, 3, 4.